Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add or generate sound effects using AI in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva. Don't forget to sign in with your account. You can start by click apps, then click AI powered. You can scroll down and try to find the AI sound effect or the Aurora sound effects. So here there are some of sound effect app that you can try. So let's start with this Aurora sound effects. Easy to use AI sound effect for your design. So you can click use in new design. So here describe the sound effect you need. This is the duration up to 5 seconds. Then you can generate a sound. So please fill out this field. Let's try with the Arabian Night, then generate sound. So sound effect generated successfully. So you need to listen to this, and in order to generate more, you can open this app in web browser to buy more credits. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.